everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I created this holiday look, so if you would like to see how I got it, keep on watching. Today I'm going to start off with my base, so I'm going to go in with foundation first. My skin is already prepped, and today for foundation I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty Pro Filt'r Soft Matte Longwear Foundation in the shade 120, and I'm going to blend that out using my Real Technique sponge. Next, I'm going to do concealer. I'm going to use my MAC Studio Fix 24-hour concealer. I'm going to put that under my eyes, along my cheek jawline, and a little bit down the center of my face. And I'm going to blend that out using the same sponge. For bronzer today, I'm going to use my Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit in light to medium. And I'm going to take this middle shade here, and I'm going to take that on my BH Cosmetics Studio Pro number 2 brush, and I'm just going to put that along my cheekbones and my forehead and a little bit on my nose. Off camera, I just put some powder under my eyes and along my cheekbones. And next I'm going to do my eyes, and I'm going to use the BH Cosmetics Fairy Lights palette. This is honestly one of my favorite palettes I keep reaching for whenever I do eyeshadow. But since there's no like good transition color for me in here for the look I want to do, I'm gonna first start off with my Hoola bronzer, just as a transition shade in my crease. And I'm gonna take that on a BH Cosmetics Studio Pro number 5 brush. I'm just gonna blend that into my crease. Next, on a Morphe M573 brush, I'm going to go in with this brown shade right here called Bliss. I'm going to run that in my crease as well. I'm also going to take that shade and focus it on the inner and outer corners of my eyes, since I'm going to do a halo eye today. Next, on a Morphe M433 brush, I'm going to take this bottom shade right here. It's a darker brown, and that's called Muse, and I'm going to really focus that on the inner and outer corners and blend it into my crease just the tiniest little bit. I'm gonna do the cut crease part for the halo eye. And I'm gonna take some concealer on a Morphe 421 brush. It's just this tiny little brush right here. And I'm gonna do this a little bit differently from how I normally do a halo eye. So I'm gonna start up here, like right on my eyebrow. And then drag the concealer down. And then I'm gonna pat it out. And then I'm gonna go in with whatever's left over on the brush we used the darker brown for. And just pat over the edges. And now on a BH Cosmetics Studio Pro number 9 brush, I'm gonna go in with this gold shade right here, and that's called Darling, and I'm gonna put that where we put the concealer. Okay, now I'm just gonna do the same thing on the other eye. Off camera, I wiped off my baking powder. Next I'm going to do blush, and I'm going to go in with the Morphe Blush Trio in the shade Pop of Blush. It's really pretty, 3 peachy shades, and I'm going to mix these two shades together. They're called Sexy and Fearless, and I'm going to take that on a little blush brush. For highlighter, I'm going to use my Anastasia Beverly Hills Amrezy highlighter. And I'm going to take that on a Morphe M510 brush. And I'm going to put that on my cheekbones, forehead, chin, and then for my nose and like all the smaller parts of my face, I'm going to use my little e.l.f. crease brush. Off camera, I just put my eyebrows on and a little bit of mascara. Next, before I do my false lashes, I'm gonna go back to the eyes and I'm gonna put a little bit of glitter on top of the gold eyeshadow. This is the NYX Liquid Crystal Liner in Crystal Silk. So I'm gonna take this and just draw it on. Next, I'm going to put lashes on, and today I'm going to use the Kiss lashes in the style Lacey, and I'm going to use my House of Lashes glue to put that on. I'm going to finish up my eyes by doing my lower lash line, and first on a little small shader brush, I'm going to go in with this shade Muse and run that along like really close to my lash line. And then on a BH Cosmetics Studio Pro number 8 brush, I'm going to take Bliss again and I'm going to blend that out even more. And then on my waterline, I'm going to take the Essence Kajal pencil in the shade Teddy and just run that on my waterline. And then I'm going to take my Tarte mascara, the Gifted Amazonian Clay mascara, and I'm going to run that on my lower lashes. Last, I'm going to do my lips. So first, I'm going to use a lip liner. This is the NYX Cosmetics lip liner in Hot Red. And then for lipstick, I'm going to take the Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick in the shade American Doll. Okay, so this is the finished look. Thank you so much everyone for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and that you're subscribed, and I will see you all next time.